Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to pack some orders as well as put together the giveaway prize. And yeah, thank you for joining today. This video is uploaded on Tuesday, not on Monday, because yesterday I got my hair done again, pink haired again, and I'm so happy. I love it so very much, so I didn't have time to do a voiceover, so here it is. Yeah, so I filmed this video over the course of a few weeks, so if you see different nail polish or I don't know clothes, then you know what's up. I hope everyone is doing well. I've been doing well. I have been a little bit more absent on Instagram. Also, I did not get any mail in months, so maybe my other pen pals feel the same way too. Creative slur, which I also found peace with it because, yeah, as things get better with, the pandemic, there are slowly more things we can do, and I really want to enjoy those things. I am working now as well, so in my free time, I really want to spend time with people I care about and do fun things. It's really bad weather here, but the other day it was really nice, and I just spent all day outside catching up with an old friend, and we went for lunch, and that was something that I had not done in so long, and it was just so nice. And I just feel like at this point I don't feel so pressured anymore to be that creative all the time. I want to focus on me, and whether that is a creative version of me or a social version of me, whatever, it's fine as long as I'm doing what feels right. And I still managed to get this video up, so I think I'm doing fine. So this first order is 2 earrings and a floral paper pack, and I packaged it in this newspaper. It's kind of like a bag, and this is the envelope I pre-decorated, and I add her name in red, and I love the way it looks. And yeah, I still love packing orders. I've not really come with new products lately, but maybe I will in the future. It just has to feel right, and I'm really hoping I can go on vacation soon because I need it. And I want to show off my pink hair, so I hope we can go somewhere. Yeah, we'll see. Things will be better slowly, and we can finally get a drink again. And not that you couldn't get a drink, but I mean sitting outside at a place. Oh, this description. Anyways, so in this video, I'm just going to show you some orders and the giveaway prize. I did a giveaway on my shop, and a Fleur one, so that is super great because I already wanted to send her a birthday gift. So this way I could combine the two, and she said she really liked it, so I'm really happy about that. I'll show you the thing I made for her in a bit. First, moving on to the next order. Someone ordered the first journal I've ever made, so that was super exciting to see that one finally go. In the beginning when I started selling journals and they didn't sell, I felt like what am I going to do with them if no one ever buys them? So when someone buys an old journal, it feels really nice because they were just made so long ago, and I just want them, to be loved. And for me, I can work in them myself, but they're kind of like a reminder for me, like how rocky the start was of my shop. You know what I mean? It's not like I create a journal and it sells out immediately. Definitely not in the beginning. So I don't know. This sounds really negative. I don't mean it like that. It's just that, in the beginning I was very motivated. I've created so many journals. And yeah, I don't know. Still makes me very happy to see if someone buys a journal, an old one or a new one. Also love the packaging I do for them, and yeah, so happy that it finally gets to be loved and not just sit and wait. So I bought these bags for like smaller items and I really wanted to use it. So she also purchased a sticker book. I think she ordered a small one. Yeah. So I still really love my sticker album. So maybe I'll do a new launch when I sold some more. So this is from like the first size. So the small ones, I still have some left of those, and I also got bigger ones, and I still got a few of those as well. Still love that product because it's totally unique and super handy. So yeah, she also bought these mason jars, and yeah, I just filled the rest with a handwritten note, my business card, and my logo sticker. So I really love this order. I think it looks so cute. And yeah, then we're going to put it all in a box, and I'm going to decorate the box a little bit with my butterflies in pastel colors. I think that looks really cute. It was really awkward filming this because it didn't really fit in frame, but you know, you can see what I'm doing. It's fine. So yeah, this package has already made it safely to England, so I'm very happy with that. So now we're going to move on to the giveaway prize from Fleur. So she had won like 10 euro shop credits, so she could pick whatever she wanted. And she already has a lot of my products, so you know, I was really curious to see what she would like. But she ordered some envelopes and a paper set, and I think it was really nice to wrap it all for her. And the journal I made her. So I made her this little journal, and I could sell these if you want. They're quite small, so they won't be that expensive, but overall they're really cute. So I also made her an envelope with a card because she's my pen pal, and I didn't have a letter from her that I needed to reply to, but I don't know. I still wanted to make her mail. So she chose this paper pack, like the Dutch version with the postcards, and then these two envelope sets, which are new. I have new products, yeah. And then you quickly saw the journal I made her. And I'm just wrapping it. By the way, the bracelet I'm wearing is from Pempalpine on Instagram. I asked her if she wanted to make it for me, and she did. It's so nice. It's so cute. So I love wearing that. I don't have the ability to make that myself, but I do think it looks adorable. So here I'm just gathering. I bought this card, and I thought it was perfect for her because she does have a dog like that. It's called Dachshund. Why is it a German name in English? I don't get it. Anyway, so here I'm just decorating the envelope. So you also got a little bit of a pen pal with me. If you stayed watching for so long, you're welcome. And I just love this pattern. It's so, I don't know. I love the colors. I love the flower pattern. I'm just obsessed. So I use this pink paper and yeah, do kind of that envelope design I've done before. Just something I really like because it has a lot of color and it's kind of like symmetrical or something. I don't know. So I also used some stickers to write out her name. The stickers were like so small, but they were kind of expensive, so I don't know. They're cute. It's fine. And then I also used a wax seal from Pemberley and Paper Co. So that was adorable. Super proud of myself for not hoarding it and just using it. And here you see me putting her name down on this little doily, and because it's going into a big envelope, I didn't need to put her address on it or like stamps or anything, so I just put a fake stamp on it. Because it looks empty in the right corner, you know, if you don't have stamps. So yeah, I added some washi tape, and yeah, so this was her birthday mail. Like I said, I wasn't feeling creative at all, but I was like, I cannot teach Fleur her birthday, like that is illegal. So yeah, I still think it turned out cute. Even though I'm not at my most like creative moment in my life, it's fine. I think we should allow ourselves to, you know, take a step back. And it's hard because I like want to grow, and when I post more, I sell more, and you grow more, and when you post more, you also have more like things going on. But it's fine, you know, it's something that is very dear to me, so it's important that I keep loving everything I do. And sometimes taking a step back is gonna be better eventually. So that's what we're doing. But I'm doing fine. Honestly, I'm feeling good. I have pink hair. Everything is everything is going well. And yeah, I'm just working on myself mostly, and yeah, trying to make the best of the situation. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know down in the comments if you are going through a creative slur, or are you thriving right now? How are you doing with everything going on? Are you noticing things getting better? Are you, I don't know, are you dyeing your hair? Just talk to me in the comments. I always love chatting to you. You can also DM me on Instagram or check out my post. It's Mae Journals Slow Bar. Or check out my shop. The support means a lot to me. It's Mae Journals Shop. I also started a personal Instagram account, so you like don't need to follow that. But if you want to like see my hair and see me, I don't know, in my personal life, you could follow that. It's Butterfly Days. And if you would like to receive Happy Mail from me, if you sign up for my Patreon before the 1st of June, you'll receive a 50 grams Happy Mail from me, which is a flip book and exclusive products, handmade things, and overall just adorable. It's gonna be spring themed, it's gonna be beautiful. And yeah, of course, you can also sign up for my other tiers to support me. And if you don't want to do that, that is totally fine too. So I'm just wrapping this little gift and putting it in an envelope. I got these markers that are like paint markers, and I love using them. They just look very cool, and yeah, something I wanted to try out. So I hope you guys are doing well and enjoy this video, and I would love, love, love to see you next time. Bye!